Hey guys, what's up? It's Girl Brittany here. Today's recipe is going to be one of my fried shrimp recipes. As you can see right now, I'm crushing up Planters cheese balls to give it a cheesy flavor. I also have some eggs right away that I whisked up already. So I will see you at the next step. So as you can see, I have the cheese ball mix. I'm just going to put some breadcrumbs in here, and I'm going to mix it all up. You want to see more breadcrumbs than you want to see cheese balls. So as you can see, it's quite just put some breadcrumbs in. Because you want the cheese balls to be more of an accent than the actual flavor. You basically want to taste it and go, ooh, that's interesting. So I'm just going to keep mixing this stuff, and then I will see you guys in a minute. So as you guys can see, I have the shrimp sitting in the egg, just to make sure there's a healthy portion of egg on there. It's not just being dipped in. I am then going to pour a little bit of the all natural sea salt. Just a little sprinkle, you don't want anything too drastic. And then some ground pepper. I use McCormick. Sprinkle that in. Now the pepper you want a lot of. So I'm just going to take our shrimp. Actually, as I was saying, put it down on the plate. Then we're going to go grab our shrimp, put that in the mixture. Make sure you pour it over the shrimp. And then dig it right through. And as you will notice when I go to put it in the deep fryer, I will then put some breadcrumbs on top of the shrimp as it's in the deep fryer, just to make sure that it's coated correctly. Too little coating, and it's not going to be great. Was not expecting that. Come off, you little booger. Alright, here we go. And for those of you that are wondering, Christian is doing really good. We actually do not have to follow up with the doctor until his appointment in December. So we got like half a year. We do not have to do the CAT scan that we were never sent my dad to do, because the echo and the ultrasound all came back negative. So we're good to go there. You just have a little cute rash, so right now he's just sitting on his iPad staying calm. Yes, he does get cranky at times too, please. minute or two. And then we will get ready to put this in the mixture. It looks like cat litter, so don't get grossed out there. But we'll get ready to put that in the mixture. And then we'll fry it up. Serve it with Red Robin onion rings. And we're good to go. Now I do want to let you guys know, I use parchment paper in my air fryer. But if you're nervous about it because it can catch on fire, and yes, it has happened to me. I'll say once, twice, maybe more times than that. Anyways, if you're nervous about it catching on fire, you can put it straight in. It's just your shrimp is gonna stick to the bottom of the air fryer holder thingy, basket, I guess you could say. So like I said, I have my shrimp in there. I'm going to just sprinkle some coating on top. That way if I did miss anything, it's all right there. So we are going to put this in the air fryer at 400 degrees. For 10 minutes. And I will see you guys when it's all set to come out. Now why am I can I really not talk today? Now while the shrimp are cooking, I did want to mention how much I love my air fryer. The one I have is, let's see if I can, Farberware. Paid $60 for at Walmart. And I can't tell you how many times people use this thing. Very convenient. Just stick it in, let it cook. Cooks quick. Very healthy. It's got to cook all your fat out. Oils for fried shrimp, fried oils, chicken breast. I'm trying to think of anything else useful to be good. Literally, anything you want, just cook it right now. It's perfect. Well worth the $60. Alright, here it is, guys. Do a little slow motion here. See what I was talking about? With the air fryer, you have to be careful with parchment paper. It does burn. I'm lucky to catch on fire again. But there it is, guys. Dig through here. Let's see. One something else. Yes, I am very brave. This is hard. There's our fried shrimp. And see what I was talking about? This is on the base and the bottom, so that's why I didn't get all crusted. That's why you put extra seasoning on there. Just sprinkle some on top, just to have it there. Toss this and get our onion rings on. Just let you know, paper's not hot. So now our onion rings are going to go on 400 for 10 minutes as well. And like I said, Red Robin onion rings. My favorite restaurant because of the chocolate. Oh, what do they call it? Let's get back to you. I'll post that in the comment section below. Or in the bio, or the description of the video. But those chocolate bar sticks, oh my god, they're heaven on earth. Alright, so we're just gonna have that cook, and we'll be right back.